Okay, so today we are going to look at probably one of the best, most effective affiliate funnels that I have ever seen in my life. We are going to be taking a look at Thomas Gonnet. I don't know if that's how you pronounce Gonnet, but that's what we're going with for this video. So this is exactly how Thomas Gonnet is making $200K a month plus with this affiliate funnel backed by a YouTube channel. Now, this is your typical YouTube funnel, right? This is Thomas Gonnet's YouTube channel, 93.5K subscribers, where he was making a lot of content about SMMA, kind of in the early, well, I don't want to say early stages, but the peak of SMMA and SMMA content, you know, the whole Iman Gadzi phase, right? Lots of content about SMMA. And if we go over to his YouTube channel, he gets quite a bit of views for a niche business channel. Like we look at this video here, how I book 3 to 5 meetings a day, cold calling SMMA, 816,000 views. Now it's not Iman Gadzi, right? But that's a lot of fucking views. And if we go take a look at his oldest videos, they're all SMMA related, and it has recently taken a shift. There's been a shift from SMMA in his content, and we're going to get to that in a second. So basically, we're first going to take a look at his old funnel, right? The SMMA funnel, which started with his YouTube channel, okay? So he was making YouTube content. Then we're going to go down and take a look just at what he has linked in the description of his older videos, okay? As you can see this video here, 119,000 views. One link, okay? One link you see here, and this is a very important, crucial link. So 30-day free trial of high level using my link and receive 300 agencies course. Now this was a SMMA course that he had, which is no longer running. He's converted it into a new course, but this was a, SMMA agency course. And when you signed up with his Go High Level affiliate link, you would receive free access to the 300 agencies course. This was just that much more incentive to sign up for his Go High Level affiliate. Now, I don't know if you know much about Go High Level here, but they have probably the most insane affiliate program on the market, all right? So Go High Level's affiliate program offers 40% recurring commission for each paying agency customer referred and an additional 5% for each paying agency signed up by a referred agency. This is 40% recurring revenue. As long as that person signed up, you get 40%. And Go High Level has 3 tiers. One's 100, one is, I believe, 297, 300, and one's a 497, 500. So if you're getting a ton of 40% commissions reoccurring every month from a $300 subscription or a $500 subscription, it's not too hard to see how that can add up quite quickly. And so Thomas was kind of making these videos documenting the SMMA journey as many people were doing at this time. And he had stated, if I'm correct, he was doing 15, 20 grand a month with his agency. And then all of a sudden he dropped this bombshell of a video right here, okay? How I make 100K a month in passive income at 21 years old. And I'm kind of one of those guys who's like, passive income is bullshit, right? Everything takes work. This kind of twists that narrative, okay? This is really, truly, well, okay, he's got to make YouTube videos, but this is pretty much as passive as it fucking gets, okay? So in this video, he breaks down how he's bringing in over $120,000 a month reoccurring from Go High Level affiliate commissions. Fucking insane. All funneled out from these YouTube videos. And as you can see, he doesn't even have like a ton of YouTube videos, but you look at the views, right? He gets pretty good views. And I credit this to this guy being pretty authentic, kind of controversial at times. It's not hard to see why people resonate with his content and why he converted so many affiliate commissions. And you can see this video was posted a little over a year ago. So a little over a year ago, he was doing over 120K a month just in Go High Level affiliate commissions. And if you're doing 120K a month in Go High Level commissions, passive income pretty much, right? And you're grinding it out in this agency game, working your ass off to make 15, 20K a month. I mean, what do you think is the better option, right? And that introduces the new funnel, Thomas's new funnel, the SaaS-based funnel, where it would appear after this guy started making over 100 grand a month with Go High Level affiliates, he got hooked on the reoccurring revenue, okay? So once again, he kind of converted the YouTube channel, started making content. Let's go to his latest videos. Started making more SaaS-based content, and this is pretty recent, only in the last few months. You can see there's kind of a break here where this video was uploaded a year ago, then this was 4 months. This is kind of where the transformation happened, right? He took a bit of a YouTube hiatus, marinating on those Go High Level affiliates, and then started up the SaaS. So basically, this guy had an agency for med spas, just like his typical SMMA, running ads, generating leads. And then he decided to create a white label SaaS in Go High Level that would serve med spas, offer that to his existing clients, and go all in on reoccurring revenue and drop the whole agency shindig. So now if we look at his new funnel, right, it goes YouTube content. Now we have the 300 agencies, which is now 300 SaaS, a school community, and of course, the Go High Level link. And if we go check out these links, okay, we'll check out 300 SaaS. This is really just like a landing page built in Go High Level, VSL, right? Typical landing page. There's some benefits to this. You get one-on-one calls once a month for a year with Thomas. But this really, all it is access to his school community and signing up to Go High Level. And if we go back, right, another link is the school community. We go to the school community. This is all just getting people into Go High Level with his affiliate link. See, acquire GHL SaaS users on autopilot, pro plan affiliates only. So he's just getting as many people as he can to sign up for that $497 plan. And then of course, he's just got the link directly. If we go to this, he built his own landing page for his Go High Level affiliate to convert as many people as possible. This guy's obviously a great marketer, so why not build your own landing page to convert people and, optimize conversions to your affiliate link? So as we go back to the funnel here, he's got 3 links, one to 300 SaaS, one to the school community for 300 SaaS, and one directly to the Go High Level link. And if we really go into this, the school community brings you back to the Go High Level and the 300 SaaS group and the 300 SaaS program and the 300 SaaS course program, whatever you want to call it, also just goes back to the Go High Level link. And the 300 SaaS course program, whatever the fuck you want to call it, also just goes back to the Go High Level affiliate link. So while this guy is building his own SaaS for reoccurring revenue, he's also gone all in on optimizing Go High Level sign up conversions. And this is the very, very simple funnel of how this guy is generating over $200,000 a month plus. Honestly, I would not be surprised if this guy's making like $300K a month plus, all reoccurring revenue off of Go High Level and his own SaaS. Really interesting stuff, very simple funnel, and fuck man, there's nothing better than that sweet, sweet reoccurring revenue. So if you guys like this video, hit the damn like button. If you want to hit me up, there are links in the description, Instagram, Twitter. You can book a call if you want to chat, and have a great rest of the day, everybody.